Let me show you how this is done. Okay, all you need is 5.5 by 8.5 white cardstock. You're gonna need 3 pieces of 2 by 3 1/4, 3 of those pieces. You need Early Espresso Classic ink, 6 vintage brads right here. Okay. And then I'm going to move all this aside, and I'm going to actually show you how this is done. You take your paper cutter, and you're going to align your base card at 2 3/4. So here's 2 3/4. And then I'm going to start at 3 1/4. Push your cutter down, and then go all the way down to 7 1/2. Lift this up, turn this 90 degree, take your bone folder, you're going to line this up at 3 1/4, and you're going to score from the edge to the cutting line. Okay, move your paper, score at 6 1/2 from the edge to the cutting line, and move your paper from 7 1/2 from the edge to the scoring line. Turn your paper 180 degrees, and you're going to score at 4 1/4 from the edge to the cutting line. Move this aside. So you're going to start off with the right side. You're going to mountain fold, and valley fold, and mountain fold, as well as mountain fold the left side. And there's your base card. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your curly punch, and you're going to align the 2 points together, ensuring that this is on center, and making sure that those two are on center. So I'm going to punch this out, put that aside, open this up. I'm going to take my curly punch, edge punch actually, it's called a scallop edge punch, and I'm going to align this to the side, and I'm going to punch it back. Remove any excess. Now, what I like to do is take and sponge all the edges. So whatever's not showing, I'm going to sponge all the edges around here. Open this up, sponge. Just going to do it quickly, so it's not going to take too much of your time. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. What this is the drawers, and what I'm going to do is I actually show you a way to make this even. You're going to take your pad and your piercer, and you're going to punch. Oops, lost something down there. You're going to start off with one end, lift it up, flip this over so that you'll know that you have an even end. Okay, and punch a hole, turn this around the other way, and punch a hole on the other side. Okay, again, take my sponge and sponge all the way around again. I'm going to add a brad. through one side, add a brad to the other side, flip that over using my paper piercer. Open up the butterfly. Now what I did was I also pop dot this, and I found the 3D foam tape is actually really good, especially if you want a certain length. And all I did was I cut this in half, save the other piece, apply that there, and then remove. Take your cardstock. Here. Actually, I started off with the top just to align. Okay. I have two other pieces that are already done. Remove the backing and align him over here. Oops. And then remove this backing. And then center the two together in between. Okay, and there you have it. Now this piece here, what I end up doing was taking a 2.5 by 3 early espresso, and I attached it at the back, and then you can put your sentiment here, and then also to add your little piglets, your little tiny dresser drawer. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.